does a pilot do? Yes, a pilot is someone who flies a plane. What does a bus driver do? That's right. A bus driver is someone who drives a bus. What does a taxi driver do? That's right. A taxi driver is someone who drives a taxi.